Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily activate Circle to search on your Samsung device. First, open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display, then find and select Navigation bar. Here, you will see the option for Circle to search. Simply toggle this feature on, and you are ready to experience a new way to search. It's a quick setup that takes less than 1 minute. Using Circle to search is incredibly intuitive. Once activated, simply press and hold the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You will notice a glowing animation indicating the feature is active. Now, you can circle, highlight, or even tap on any image, text, or object on your screen. The search results will then pop up instantly, providing you with relevant information without leaving your current app. This powerful tool allows you to search for virtually anything visible on your screen. Imagine seeing a stylish outfit in a social media post. Simply circle it to find where to buy it. Or, if you are browsing a travel blog, you can highlight a landmark to learn more about its history. You can even translate foreign text or identify plants and animals with just a quick gesture. The possibilities are truly endless. The primary benefit of Circle to search is its incredible convenience and efficiency. You save valuable time by eliminating the need to switch between apps or manually type out search queries. This feature provides instant information, enriching your browsing, shopping, and learning experiences. It integrates smoothly across nearly all your applications, making it a truly versatile and indispensable tool for everyday use on your Samsung device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.